Welcome back to Insights 1983. In this episode, we're going to learn how to enter and format data in Excel. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to transform raw data into a clean and professional spreadsheet. Let's begin. Let's begin by entering the data. To enter data, click on any cell and start typing. You can type text, numbers, or dates. Press Enter to move down. Tab to move right. Edit a cell, double-click it, or use the formula bar at the top. To clear data, simply select the cell and press the Delete key. Let's move on to selecting cells. To select multiple cells, click and drag your mouse. Or hold Shift and use the arrow keys for precise selection. Click the column header to select a full column and the row number to select an entire row. Press Ctrl A to select the entire sheet. Next, basic formatting. Now, let's make the data look clean and professional. Go to the Home tab. Here you can change the font, size, and color. Bold your headers, center the text, or merge and center your title. In the number group, you can format numbers as currency, percentage, or date. Add borders and shading to improve readability. Let's look into something special. Wrap. Text. Sometimes your text may not fit inside a single cell. To fix this, select the cell and click Wrap Text. This allows your text to appear on multiple lines inside the same cell. Let's look into alignment. You can also control how text is positioned. Use horizontal alignment to choose left, center, or right. And use vertical alignment to choose top, middle, or bottom. Next, adjusting rows and columns. If text looks cut off or too wide, adjust the column width or row height. To adjust column width, move your mouse between column letters until you see a double arrow, then double-click. There is another way to do this. Move your mouse between column letters until you see a double arrow, then drag as much as you want. Move your mouse between row numbers until you see a double arrow, then drag as much as you want. If you need a unique format for your data table, you can use the Format option in your Home tab. The AutoFit option automatically adjusts the column width of the selected region to fit the contents as needed. Additionally, using the Column Width option, you can set the width of the selected region to a fixed size. The AutoFit option automatically adjusts the row height of the selected region to fit the contents as needed. Additionally, using the Row Height option, you can set the height of the selected region to a fixed size. Let's move to copying and autofill. The autofill handle enables Excel to instantly repeat patterns. Type Monday, drag the fill handle down, and Excel fills the rest of the week. Type January, drag the fill handle down, and Excel fills the rest of the months. Type 1 and 2, select both, drag down, and Excel continues the number sequence. Now you can see cell styles and conditional formatting. Excel provides cell styles to quickly make headings and data stand out. You can also use conditional formatting to automatically highlight data. For example, select your number column, go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, select greater than, enter 100, and choose a highlight color. Now any value greater than 100 is highlighted instantly. No manual checking required. It is A. Let's look into Format Painter. To maintain consistent formatting, use the Format Painter. Select your formatted cell, Click the paintbrush icon in the Home tab and apply the format anywhere else you need to use. Look at the example. Here we go into today's bonus tip. Do you ever think that you can format multiple sheets at once? Yes, you can. Let's learn it. Hold down the Control key, click the tabs of the sheets you want, and select the area you wish to format in each tab as I do, and apply the desired formatting. Everything updates across all selected sheets. Let's wrap up the lesson. Great job! You've learned how to enter data, format text and numbers, wrap content, highlight values automatically, and create clean spreadsheets. In the next episode, we'll start working with formulas and basic calculations, the real power behind Excel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned with Insights 1983. Until we meet next time. Let's test your knowledge on data entry and formatting with 15 multiple choice questions. Think carefully and try to answer each one before we reveal the answers at the end, so that you can see how many of your answers are correct.
Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's start this learning journey together. Don't forget to leave a comment below with what you want to learn most, and share this with a friend who wants to improve their Excel skills too. Let's make Excel simple, smart, and fun. See